I just installed this floor outlet for power for this whole sectional, and I've got all those videos on my channel, but this particular video is only about kind of patching some carpet a little bit with some crazy glue. I initially wanted this box over here, and when I drilled the hole down underneath, or from here down, I hit right on the top of a TJI floor joist. So I had to move the box. So I have my carpet, and I'm ready to fix that along with this, because the cover plate's not going to cover it. And I could, this is a standard size cover plate, this is a mid-size cover plate, and that's not going to cover it either. I could get a jumbo cover plate, and that would probably cover the whole thing. But I'm going to patch this anyways, because with the jumbo, my sectional is going to fit right up against there. So the jumbo cover plate might encroach into that just barely. And, you know, that's not a good signature to leave something like this in the floor if you can go ahead and patch it. So that's what this video is all about. I'm going to take some crazy glue gel. I'm going to fix this to where you're not even going to be able to see it. If you want to see that, stick around. I got super glue gel, and this is Gorilla Glue. I like it to get it in a big container like this so it doesn't dry up. You know, you buy those little small little containers, and you use about a third of it, and you can't really save it. You try to save it next time you need it. It's dried up the tip. You try to squirt it out, and it doesn't come out. And I haven't used this for a while, and I'm not sure if this tip is clean or not. And if it's not, so I can take some, I have to be careful with it. I'm going to take some masking tape and put it down. Put down a little bit of it. And just see if it's going to come out. Yeah, it comes out. Okay, good. Good. Another reason why I like this, that tip seems to not dry out. That's good. But if yours is hard and you can't get it out of there, I was just thinking about this, try your smallest drill bit and use that to drill a hole through there and clean out your hard residue, let's say. Okay, so I better get this out of there. And I don't want that to get all over the place, do I? No siree, bub. Okay, and I'm gonna use this crazy glue, and this little bit right here, I made a cut with the sheetrock knife initially this way, because this box was supposed to fit from here to about there. I had to move it, okay, because it was right on top of it, TJI. And so the first thing I'm going to do is where that piece is, I'm just going to put some glue there. And maybe I'll just put some masking tape out here on the side so I can use it as a staging point in case my glue drips or something, you know, whatever. I don't think anything's going to happen to it. Okay, so there's a joint right there, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue in there just to keep that together. Pull that away. Okay. There. Okay. I'm going to leave that top on there. And that's going to keep the two joints back together. And then, see, I've got some strands here that are already loose. And I should have some other strands ready, shouldn't I? See, here I've got one right there. And another one. Okay. I should have more light on here so I can see. Make sure I'm sticking some glue down there. Okay. Now I can kind of put some in there and walk it back. You know, yeah, it's coming out just barely. Boy, that stuff, you gotta be careful with it. Gots to be careful with it. Boy, man, that stuff's potent. Whew. Wow, my eyes are burning. Whew. Okay. That's why I'm using the gel and not the glue. Okay. I want to keep working on that. With my strands, I've got a little piece I can use for there. Okay. What? Why? It's like it's kind of stuck in there. Okay, there it goes. Whew. There we go. Get that. There we go. Okay, fixed. Now, Now to tackle this one here. Oh, I had some black stuff on the carpet. I was wondering what it was. It's my felt tip pen. Okay. Come on. I think I need to clean this tip out. It's kind of sticking on me. And I've got a little piece of wire. It's just a section of a paper clip. And sometimes I can use that. Okay, there it goes. Clean it out that way. But if it's really super hard, you take a little drill bit on that. Okay? I told you I was going to show you. How's that looking, huh? There. I told you I was going to show you that zip. When Mommy was vacuuming, it must have pulled up at least 1.5 feet. I'm showing you exactly where it is. Can you see it? It was right here. All the way from there to about there. Look at that. See? That took me a while to do that. In fact, there's a little strand here that came up. I'm going to have to come in here and glue that down. But it looked like it was really bad. And I spent, I don't know, 2 hours, 2.5, 3 hours on that. A little bit at a time, an inch at a time, and put that all back in there. Okay? All right. That's all I wanted to show you on this video. Sorry it took so long to do that, to get that glue to start working. But you can use Crazy Glue Gel or Gorilla Glue. And see, it says Super Glue, but you want to find the one that says Gel. So Gorilla Glue, Super Glue Gel, and Crazy Glue Gel, so that it comes out in a gel rather than just a stream of like water, you know what I mean? And you'll be able to patch it yourself.